Hey guys, this is Fabian with Junk Express Services. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cut a tire. Give me a call at 432-703-9645 or come visit our website at junkexpressservices.com. Today we got a huge job. I just loaded up, I want to say about 100 or 200 tires. But let's get to it. This is how you cut a tire. So if you have any tires laying around your yard or whatnot, this is how you'll cut them. Or you can call us and we'll take care of everything for you. Well, the blade broke. Safety first. You always have your gloves and your eyeglasses, because if that would have broke and hit my face, I would have lost an eye. But anyways, that wasn't supposed to happen. But after you're done cutting, this is what it looks like. You have to cut them in threes, or you have to have three pieces: your sidewalls and your thread half. Reason being, it's going to the dump, and the dump requires you to cut them. But got all these tires and everything. So like I said, give us a call at 432-703-9645 or go visit our website at www.junkexpressservices.com. Thank you for watching.